Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disallow effect video call in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Now go to privacy. Now scroll down. Allow camera effect. If you want to disallow it, you just have to turn off the button. Press on turn off. That's it. So this is how to disallow effect video call in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.